What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So you want to get back more time in your day to do what you want? Have you ever dreamed of escaping the 9-to-5 grind? Well, let's see if the 4-hour work week is the answer. Together, we'll dive into the strategies and tips that can help you achieve a more fulfilling and balanced life. The concept of the 4-hour work week is revolutionary, to say the least. It's an approach that promises to transform your life by promoting productivity and freedom. And I'm excited to dive in and explore how it can work for you, because it's already worked for me. We've all been there, stuck in the grind, feeling overwhelmed, tired of our to-do list, and wondering how can we possibly get everything done. Well, the traditional 9-to-5 schedule can be suffocating, and it's easy to get caught up in the cycle of busyness without actually achieving your goals. One of the biggest struggles people face is managing their time effectively. It's easy to get sidetracked by email, social media, or meetings that could have been email. That's totally a meme. That's so funny. And before you know it, the day is gone and you're left wondering what you actually accomplished. We're not just talking about productivity hacks or time management strategies here. I'm talking about a fundamental shift in how we approach work and life. The traditional model is broken and it's time for a change. We need to start thinking about how we can create a life of freedom and abundance rather than just trying to get more stuff done. So what's the solution? Well, it starts with recognizing that we don't have to be tied to our desk or our computers 24/7. We need to start thinking about how we can outsource, automate, or even eliminate the tasks that take up our time and our energy, but don't actually drive results. One of the key principles of the 4-hour work week is the idea of outsourcing. This doesn't mean hiring a virtual assistant or delegating tasks to your team. It means thinking about how you can create systems and processes that can run without you. Whether it's automating repetitive tasks or finding ways to simplify complex processes. The goal is to create a business that can run without you. Another key principle is the idea of focus. We need to focus on what truly matters, what drives results, what aligns with our values and goals, and what brings us joy. We need to eliminate the non-essential tasks that take up our time and energy and focus on what truly matters. I remember when I first started applying these principles to my own life. I was working long hours, trying to get everything done and feeling very burnt out. But once I started outsourcing and automating tasks and focusing on what truly mattered, everything changed. I started to feel more free, more productive, and more fulfilled. One of my favorite stories about the power of these principles is about a friend who was working 80-hour weeks as a consultant. She was making good money, but she was miserable. She was stuck in a cycle of burnout. She didn't know how to escape. But when she started applying the principles of the 4-hour work week, she started outsourcing her tasks, automating her processes, and focusing on what truly mattered. And within a few months, she was working 10-hour work weeks and making more money than ever before. So, what can we learn from these examples? Well, we can learn that the 4-hour work week is not just a pipe dream. It's a reality that's within everyone's reach. We can learn by outsourcing, automating, and focusing on what truly matters. We can create a life of freedom and abundance. So in conclusion, guys, mastering the 4-hour work week is not just about working less. It's about living more. It's about creating a life that's truly fulfilling, productive, and also abundant. And I hope that this video has inspired you to start thinking about how you can apply these principles to your own life. Thanks for watching, guys. And don't forget to comment below with your own experience with work-life balances. As always, stay positive, stay motivated, stay inspired, and stay rocking with Ace. Peace.